Hello friends, how are you? I'm on the Guangzhou Shows Lighting Fair. Because of the COVID, you can't come here, and also the COVID come back to Guangzhou. There is no visitors in China also. But it doesn't matter, we can introduce you the machines and solutions online to you. Follow me. Today I want to introduce you the very fast stitching line marking machine. With this machine, it could replace at least 4 workers. It uses ink, several types of the ink. The mostly used ink is this one, high displayer ink with high temperature. This is the product.
Yeah, this is the stitching marking.
It's very clear. And the dot is small, just 1 millimeter.